Every morning, I watched the sparrow peck at the crumbs left on my porch. It was small and ordinary, blending into the backdrop of my busy life. One day, after a storm, I noticed it struggling, its feathers ruffled and wet. I grabbed a handful of seeds and placed them nearby. The sparrow hesitated, then ate. Weeks later, I realized it wasn't just one sparrow. A whole flock now came by, chirping and flitting around. What started as one small gesture became a haven for many. Sometimes it's the little acts we overlook that grow into something bigger than we imagined.